Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial I'll guide you through the steps to fill out your Zillow rental application. So let's get started. First, make sure you have been invited to apply by a landlord. Once you receive the email invite, click the link to start the application. Now begin by entering your full legal name and contact details as prompted on the application form. And next, you will be asked to input information about any co-applicants or pets. If you're applying with someone else, make sure to add their details as well. Now then, specify your desired move-in date and provide your residence history for the past 3 years. And this will include your previous address as well. So fill out your income and employment details, including your employer's name and your current job status. Make sure you include an emergency contact person in case anything urgent comes up. And you will also need to provide your date of birth and social security number so that a credit and background check can be conducted. And once all the information is entered, you will be charged a $35 fee for the credit and background checks. This fee allows you to apply to as many properties as you need within the next 30 days. The form will look something like this. Is an application summary. After completing your application, you'll receive a confirmation that your identity has been verified and your payment processed. And when you're ready, click submit and submit application, and you will be notified that your application has been sent to the landlord. And once submitted, the landlord will review your application and screenings, and you will be notified when they have reviewed it or if they reach out to you for more information. Remember, you can also apply directly through the Apply Now button on Zillow listings. And this button right here. And if you find a property you're interested in. So, and that's it. You have successfully filled out your Zillow rental application. So, best of luck in your search, and I'll see you in the next one.